In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up Gusto account. To get started, open your web browser and go to gusto.com. This is the official website where you can create a new account and access Gusto's tools for payroll and managing your team. Once you are on the homepage, look for the option to create a free account. Select that to begin the sign-up process. Gusto may also give you the option to sign up using Google. If you prefer a faster setup and you use Google for work, you can choose that option. If you would rather create an account directly, continue with the standard sign-up form. Next, you will enter basic information to create your profile. Start by typing your first name and last name. Then enter your work email address. Make sure you use an email you can access because platforms like Gusto often send important setup messages and account confirmations. After that, enter your company name. If you are setting this up for a business, use the name you want associated with payroll and company records. Continue by providing a few company details. Enter the number of employees. If you are not sure of the exact number, choose the closest option available since you can update employee information later as you add people. You will also be asked for a company phone number. Enter the appropriate business contact number you want connected to the account. Now it is time to create your password. Choose a strong password that is easy for you to remember but difficult for others to guess. Then confirm the password by typing it again exactly the same way. This helps prevent sign-in issues caused by typing mistakes. When everything looks correct, click the button to create your account. After a moment, your Gusto account will be ready, and you can begin exploring the dashboard. From here, you can move on to setting up your payroll and adding people as employees. Take your time reviewing the options available so you understand what is ready to configure next. That covers everything you need to know.